It's okay. I got here a 2011 SRX Cadillac. I will be replacing the front signal light bulbs, which is this right here. It's the number right there, 7444 in A. It's right behind it. They're easy to replace. Just want to stick your hand in here, turn it. There it is. Replace it. I already did. Kind of just feel for it. Already snapped. It's simple. Just had to remove the air filter assembly, which just goes right in there. Then the air filter and the air intake. Took me 5 minutes maybe. So just remove it and replace it same way. Thank you for watching.